जसमीत, आज हम लोग गाड़ी में क्यों बैठे हैं?
बिकॉज यू आर सच अ गुड ड्राइवर, मैंने सोचा कि बातें भी हो जाएंगी, एपिसोड भी शूट हो जाएगा और एक मस्त लॉन्ग ड्राइव भी हो जाएगी.
बट आपको पता है ना, इट्स नॉट सेफ.
Yeah, I know. I was just trying to paint a picture that women are absolutely safe drivers, quite capable, and can do everything.
That's very true.
Yeah.
Hi, we are back.
And today we are going to burst a lot of stereotypes that we as a women face.
Exactly. And thanks to Komal here, we just busted the biggest one, that women are not safe drivers. I mean, I don't understand where this notion ever came from, right? There are so many girls and women that I am extremely comfortable sitting with in a car and feel extremely safe. Be it you, my sister, so many of my friends, Tanya, Kanchan, my childhood friend, and a lot of girls that I know from my community, Isha, Mithu, and PT. Oh my God, the list goes on and on and on. बट स्टिल अगर कोई भी रोड पे थोड़ी सी रैश ड्राइविंग कर रहा है तो यू विल हियर पक्का कोई लड़की चला रही होगी, राइट? कोई स्लो ड्राइव कर रहा है तो अरे पक्का कोई आंटी चला रही होगी. सो टेल मी कोमल, व्हाई इज इट स्टिल सच अ रनिंग जोक कि अगर कोई गाड़ी गलत चला रहा है या रैश चला रहा है तो मस्ट बी अ वुमन?
I think, Jasmeet, this is not a universal problem. Like, this is not a new problem. ये है ना, it goes back to a lot of our how we have been brought up as a society. Access to vehicles was a question for all the women, be it bicycle, be it scooty and a car. आप बताओ, मतलब आप कितनी लड़कियों को जानते होगे जिनको साइकिल्स या स्कूटी मिली होगी एट द एज ऑफ मे बी 11 और 12, जस्ट बिफोर टीनेजर. But I know in my hometown, boys get access to scooty or cycles, even bikes with gears at the age of 10.
Yeah.
तो जब आप उनको access पहले दे रहे हो तो वो of course अच्छे से चलाना, practice makes a man perfect, right?
Yeah.
So the women also, more the practice, we would have been also perfect. I think तो वो एक मुझे लगता है बहुत बड़ा gap है हमारे देश में.
Yeah. Very true, Komal. Early access, very big point. Men get early access. They have the practice of years of riding and driving, and women definitely don't get that. In fact, what I also feel is that mode of transport is equal to freedom.
Correct.
And a lot of people around us in our society, they cannot digest women getting freedom, right? So I remember I was in standard 10th when I cleared my 10th boards. I must be 16, right? And my father got me a Activa, a non-gear vehicle. And a lot of people raised eyebrows कि अरे इतनी जल्दी गाड़ी दे दी, अभी लड़की के पर लग गए हैं, गुरु तो बेटियों को सर पे चढ़ा के रखा है. And all of my cousins, male cousins, were riding geared bikes, all of them. मतलब मुझे 10th में एक्टिवा मिली तब मुझे चलानी भी नहीं आती थी, मुझे चलानी सीखनी है. बट दे डिड नॉट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम कि यार इसको नहीं चलानी आती है. देयर आर सो मेनी मेल कजिन्स जिनको आती है और शायद उनको 10-12 साल की एज से आती थी और उनको एक्सेस था, तो उनका प्रैक्टिस भी हुआ, उनको फ्रीडम भी मिली. मुझे अगर ट्यूशंस जाना है तो मेरे कजिन्स मुझे ड्रॉप करेंगे, राइट? बट व्हेन आई गॉट दैट एक्टिवा, आई गॉट दैट फ्रीडम कि अब मैं खुद जा सकती हूँ. तो द आईब्रोज वर रेज्ड की you know the kind of things that are being said for girls and young girls in our society.
Very true. अभी आपने जो पॉइंट बोला जसमीत, I can think of another stereotype, biggest I feel, and I have faced so much for this, directions, that we are bad at directions. I will tell you, I was just riding with a friend. I was a pillion rider backside, and I told him कि तू चला ले बाइक, मैं तुझे डायरेक्शन बताती हूँ. He was stopping at every 3 minute stop and he was checking my phone direction के लिए कि क्या मैं सही बता रही हूँ कि गलत बता रही हूँ. अभी आप देखो ना, आपने जैसे मेंशन किया कि भैया जाएंगे, पापा जाएंगे लेके, छोटा भाई जाएगा, तो अगर वो लोग गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, बाइक स्कूटी चला रहे हैं, तो हमें डायरेक्शन क्यों याद रहेगी? हमें रोड्स कैसे पता होंगे कि उन्होंने आगे से राइट लिया, लेफ्ट लिया? या हमारा कंसर्न ये था कि हमने इस पॉइंट से उस पॉइंट सेफली पहुंचना है और हमारे घर वाले हमें पहुंचा देंगे. तो व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम विमेन जब आप वो चीज खुद से हमें करने ही नहीं दे रहे हो?
एंड यू नो इट्स साइंस कि आपकी मसल मेमोरी में तभी आएगा जब आप खुद करोगे, विच इज व्हाई वी टेल यू नो आवर किड्स आल्सो टू कीप राइटिंग और कीप डूइंग थिंग्स सो दैट इट कम्स इन आवर मसल मेमोरी. तो अगर हम कभी पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी तक खुद नहीं गए हैं ड्राइव करके, राइड करके, इट वोंट कम इन आवर मसल मेमोरी, राइट? मतलब पीपल डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बेसिक साइंस.
And I'm telling you, these I don't think all of them are like this. जैसे I am very proud of the fact that मेरे को ड्राइविंग मेरे हस्बैंड ने सिखाई है. Touch wood, he was so patient with me, and I was one of the bad student anybody could ever have. तो मुझे लगता है कि not everybody is like this. Like the other day, I love the Varna car, Hyundai की. So I asked one of the colleagues कि हम लोग चला थे ना वहाँ पे कि मैं चलाऊँ, एक बार ट्राई करूँ. तो मैं बैठी वहाँ पे और मुझे लगा उसने एक बार में दे दिया. There was no chicken. We girls have that aura ना to understand कि कौन थोड़ा झिझक रहा है, कौन नहीं कर रहा है. He was like कि हाँ लो चला लो. I'm like, और 2 दिन पहले उसकी गाड़ी शोरूम से आई है ठीक होके.
He's a very sweet guy.
तो I'm sure Pranam, thank you for trusting me.
Let's call him Pranam.
Thank you for trusting me with your car. But
But I want to share a few fun facts with our viewers.
Okay.
So, research shows that women drivers tend to be safer on the road. They are less likely to speed, engage in risky maneuvers, or brake harshly compared to men. And fewer women are involved in traffic violations or road accidents, even though far fewer women are on the road. And these are India statistics. Okay.
And to add to that, I was just reading a study yesterday. It showed कि US में as of 2023, 70% of the fatal accidents happen due to men drivers.
Yeah,
and they tell us that we are the bad drivers.
Exactly, and we tried to search this data for India. Apparently, India में ऐसी कोई study publish नहीं होती. Otherwise, वो बस myth easily burst हो जाएगा, right? That women are not safe drivers.
Very true.
But you know what, Komal? It's not just for driving. There is this another misconception that women cannot manage finances.
Lol. I have just a word lol on this. I am filing taxes for at least 70-80 people.
Wow. Wow. And how many of them are men?
I think 55-60% of
See?
them.
Oh my God. I don't know where these misconceptions and stereotypes have come from, right? In fact, the other day, me and my husband were having a discussion on our portfolios, right? So I just happened to mention that how my portfolio is performing, and surprisingly, he was quite surprised that it's performing really well, despite me not having a financial advisor and he having one. So
yeah, I am sure like मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ में आता ये कहाँ से आ रहा है. We are managing घर, we are managing grocery, we are keeping a tab on how much we are eating outside, how much we are spending in a month. But imagine when we were spinsters, we were doing it all alone since I came out of my house, I think after 12th, which was 2011, 2012.
Around 18 years of age.
Exactly. Since then till today, I have been doing it for myself.
yeah.
Partners came into the picture maybe 5 years back or 4 years back, but what about the other years that we have been doing it?
I completely echo this. I moved out of my house when I was, I think, 21, and I know so many of my girlfriends, and we were so pro in managing our finances. We would, of course, pay our rents, groceries. We would shop. Because girls love to shop.
Yeah.
We like fancy things in life. We would go out for dinners. We would do everything, and still we won't be broke by the end of the month. And the guys in my group, every single one of them would be broke by the 20th of the month.
Yeah.
कि अरे अब तो हम मैगी खा लेते, पैसे नहीं है हमारे पास. And talk about managing finances.
Seriously. Another one that I can think of, इतनी बड़ी मिसकंसेप्शन है कि लड़कियां कुछ अकेले नहीं कर सकती. इनको हमेशा एक हेल्पिंग हैंड चाहिए होता है. Your thoughts?
Yeah.
I could see clearly.
Yeah, I do have a lot of thoughts, but somewhere I feel that for a lot of women it is true, right? Because I have cousins who are in their 40s, but they still need someone to accompany them, even if they are going to a nearby city, right? And what I feel that it's not because, and it's not that they need a man, they
Yeah.
may need a woman, but they need someone to, to accompany them. But I think that this is conditioning, right? Confidence, it's not built overnight, right?
Correct.
It is that conditioning. आपने बचपन से अगर किसी को हमेशा ये बोला है कि तुम अकेले नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हें अकेले नहीं करना चाहिए, it's not safe, that's how we grow up, right? In the previous episode also we were talking about those generational traumas, triggers and conditioning. So it is I think very true for freedom and confidence also. And the one person that I would credit for everything in my life, making me confident, independent, is my father. That man always ensured that both his daughters are strong, independent women. And he did not take it as a quote. He lived that all our lives. Even when we were young, he wouldn't hesitate sending us to school trips, right, for a few days. When I expressed the, ask of wanting to do MBA from Pune, he was very happy to do it. He was more than happy to send me to Pune. In fact, he never forced. I don't think he ever forced anything on both me and my sister. My sister, she'll be 40 soon, and she's not married. Okay, she is working. She's extremely happy in her life. Touch wood. Of course, my father wants her to settle down, but he never forced कि अब उम्र हो गई है तो शादी कर लो. To me also, he never said कि तुम्हारी age हो रही है, you should get married or settle. He has been a force to reckon with, and he has been the wind, under our wings.
I think in this thing, my father is totally opposite. मैंने उनको अपनी तरह blend करवा लिया. To coming to Bangalore to do a job or go on solo trips. पहले मैंने छोटी छोटी टेक्निक अपनानी शुरू की, खाना नहीं खाना, 10 दिन बात नहीं करनी, कहाँ जाएंगे, बेटी से प्यार तो करते ही हैं, झुकना पड़ा. So, but now he is very comfortable. After a few years, when I went to 2-3 solo trips, and I proved myself कि मैं ठीक से जाके ठीक से आ सकती हूँ वापस, then he believed कि हाँ बेटा चल अब देख ले. Now he says it proudly कि अरे पता है मेरी बेटी यहाँ घूम के आई है, मेरी बेटी वहाँ जाके आई है.
That's so cute, but credit where credit is due. Not a lot of father would mold themselves, right? I think it's very difficult to mold yourself.
Correct.
And Uncle, thank you for this. So now when you were talking about solo trips, very interesting anecdote came to my mind. So, I was married and I wanted to go to Ladakh, but my husband did not want to. Okay, I tried to persuade him. He said he doesn't want to go. So I decided that I'll go alone.
Wow.
Yeah. So, I booked my tickets, everything, and I told my parents that I'm going with a few colleagues from office. I reached there the first day, and my mom said, my mom is always a little scared of, me. My mom is scared of me because I love that adrenaline rush, right? So I would do all kind of those adventurous activities, be it skydiving or, scuba diving. And also she's always scared of me in that way. And my dad is always proud of me doing these things. So my dad had already told my mom कि अपने colleagues के साथ नहीं गई है, ये अकेली गई है. Yeah. So my mom called when I landed and I told that I've reached. My mom told me तू अकेली गई है ना, पापा तो बोल रहे तू अकेली गई है. So I called my dad. I said, अगर आपको पता है कि मैं अकेली गई हूँ, आपने मम्मी को क्यों बोला? अभी वो टेंशन लेंगी. And then my father started laughing. And I went in 22 and it's 26. And my father is very upset with me कि मैं अकेली चली गई, मैं उन्हें नहीं लेके गई. So every year, so in fact this year he said, इस साल मैं लद्दाख जाके रहूंगा, दुनिया की कोई ताकत मुझे नहीं रोक.
Uncle, let's go together.
So, coming back to the point, I think we girls are capable of so many things, but we need support. And
Yeah.
I'm not saying that we need support to do small things in life, in driving, in managing finances. No, that we can do. But you need to support us in our formative years. You know, you need to help us to become those strong, independent women. You need to instill that confidence in us that we can survive in this world, which is not fair for anyone, not easy on anyone. And we can have that strength and courage to, you know, to sail through life.